heading sales and marketing. I've been working with Seven Islands since last more than 7 years. This is a great joy and moment for the company on completing 10 years, a decade, working with Harley Davidson, such a brand, such a great brand and such a great company. So it's pleasure working with such a good staff and such a good company, brotherhood company. Thank you for supporting Seven Islands, and we have reached on this destination only because of your support. Thank you all, and I'm sure we keep the same passion and same excitement to serve you better. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dhaval Panchal. I look after the service for Seven Islands Harley Davidson. Associated with Seven Islands past 8 years. I joined in 2012 and it has been my honor serving for the service, backing up all my riders on all their rides. I've always been available for them and I take pride doing my job. That's all what I would like to say. Cheers, way more miles to go.
Hi, this is Rajendra Jaiswal, Manager Parts and Accessories. I congratulate to Bafna Motorcycle for completion of 10 years. Also to my Hawk brothers and riders. It's a privilege working with this brand. Thank you so much. More to go.
Hi, this is Ajay from Seven Islands Harley Davidson, taking care of marketing. It's a privilege to us that serving you for 10 years and it's the biggest chapter in India. Hope you enjoy all the events that we organize. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Mandar. I have been with Seven Islands since 2014. It's been 7 years working with Seven Islands Harley Davidson. It was a great pleasure to work with Hawk community, Hawk chapter. Cheers. Thank you.
Hi, this is Vijit Kurthakar, working as a sales manager in Mumbai. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the team of Seven Islands with completing 10 years in Mumbai.
This is Ajay Jadhav. I am with Seven Islands Harley Davidson since 2010 and I have completed 10 years with Bafna Motorcycle Seven Islands. Thank you.
I had an account department since 2010 and almost 10 years completed till date in Seven Islands, and it's been privilege serving so many years in Seven Islands Harley Davidson. Thank you so much. Cheers.
This is Sachin, head of the RTO department. Since 2012, I have completed 8 years with Seven Islands Harley Davidson Mumbai, and I enjoyed working here.